Meditechnology's latest health solution, My Youthspan. Unlock the secrets to living longer and healthier. Have you ever wondered about the latest breakthroughs in longevity and age reversal? With so much conflicting information, vegan or carnivore diet, dozens of supplements or none? Extreme rules like giving up sugar and alcohol make it hard to know what really works. What if you want real health and longevity benefits without completely overhauling your lifestyle? Introducing My Youthspan, an intelligent, science-backed software that personalizes health and longevity recommendations just for you. How it works. Start by filling out your personal and lifestyle information. Using the latest peer-reviewed research, AI, and data science, My Youthspan creates a customized plan with recommendations for diet, exercise, supplements, and sleep to optimize your health and longevity. You'll see exactly how these recommendations compare to your current lifestyle, how much longer you could expect to live, and how your risk for major diseases could be reduced. Want an easier approach? Adjust any recommendation in the new column to match your preferences. Instantly, you'll see how changes affect your expected lifespan and health risks, so you can decide what gives you the most benefit. Track your progress. Once your plan is set, log daily activities on the My Log page to stay accountable. Periodically record health outcomes on the My Progress page. Additionally, assessments under health tests cover stress, sleep quality, memory, reflexes, general health, and happiness. Because My Youthspan's AI learns from your data, your recommendations improve over time, becoming even more personalized. See your results. Visualize progress on the My Reports page, where you can track your improvements over time. Need more guidance? Visit the resources page for expert videos and chatbot support. Sign up today and experience the science of age reversal. Your journey to a younger, healthier you starts now.